today I have a must-have in every house. It's a fridge for your favorite cold drinks. There are two different sections. One is adjustable for ATM cans. The second one is for your favorite wine, champagne. You can easily choose the different temperature for the both sides. There is a lighting, the shells made of the stainless steel. You can easily choose the different heights of their shells. I think it's a good purchase for your pantry, for your kitchen. Enjoy the cold drinks, and I highly recommend this. You will like it.